How to create multiple landing pages in Shopify. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can create multiple landing pages in Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to create, manage, and grow online stores with ease, in which it provides a comprehensive suite of tools for selling products online, in person, and across various marketplace and social media channels. And Shopify is also known for its user-friendly interface, customizable themes, and powerful integrations, making it accessible for beginners while still offering advanced features for more experienced users. It also supports a wide range of business needs, including inventory management, payment processing, shipping solutions, and analytics. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description or click the Start Free Trial button. Then you will be able to be directed in here after signing in, where you can start navigating on the left side panel the options such as the homepage, orders, products, and many more. But from here to start creating a landing pages, just click this online store, and after that under this theme section, it will show you the current themes that you're using, and from here to start customizing this one, just click the customize button in here. And upon doing so, you will automatically be directed on this page where you can start customizing your online store, in which it will show you in the left side panel some of the editing tools that you can navigate, or you can simply click here any of the elements on your online store in here to start customizing it. However, from here, we can start adding or creating a multiple landing pages by clicking the homepage option on the top panel in here. Upon doing so, it will show you an option in here to choose from, but just proceed by clicking this pages option and click create a template to proceed. Upon doing so, in this pop-up window, just simply firstly enter the name of the template of the page that we're going to create. For example, shirt collection. And after that, just click the create template, but you could also select based on contact page, for example. Then click create template button to proceed. And upon doing so, you will be directed on this contact pages, and from here to start customizing or hide the details, just click this eye icon on the left side panel under the template section and click add section to proceed. Then you could also add here a different kind of collection, product, even collection list, but just click featured collection, and upon clicking on it, it will show you what it looks like on the right side panel. And to start customizing it, you can simply fill out the required information in here, including to change the text title. For example, I'm going to enter shirt collection. And below, you can even change the heading sizes, the description of it that you can enter, the style of the description, the collection layout, the number of columns, carousel, and many more. And you can even change the color scheme of it depending on your preferences. And from here to start adding a collection for this landing pages, you can simply click the select button and click create collection. Upon clicking this create collection, you'll automatically be directed on the next tab in here, where it will show us that in order to start creating a collection, just fill out the required information once again, which is firstly the title, description, the collection type, and also select here the products. By browsing it, I'm going to select these two products in here. Then click the add button. And after that, if you're now done, just click the save button on the top right corner or below here. Upon doing so, as you can see, we have now successfully created here a collection for the landing pages. So we can simply select here or simply refresh firstly this collection of this landing pages shirt collection. And after that, on the left side panel, just do the same process of creating or selecting here the collection. But as you can see, I only have here this one product, which is the featured products in here. So this is basically what it looks like when a customer tries to visit this shirt collection. So again, you can simply change it depending on your preferences, or click the shirt collection that we just created earlier. Or alternatively, if you also want to add a new kind of featured collection, you can do so by simply going here, then click add section to proceed, and click featured product. Upon clicking on it, it will show us that we need to select the product in our online store, and I'm going to select this one. Upon doing so, it will show you what it looks like in here. You could also start customizing the layout if you want to. As you can see over here, the shirt collection and also the product below here that has been featured. So basically, the shirt collection pages already serve as the multiple landing pages in which when you try to click or create a new one and do the same process of making it, you will now be able to start creating a multiple landing pages on Shopify. And to make it visible as a navigation on the top panel in our online store, you can simply go back in our homepage of Shopify in here. And under this online store, you should be able to see the navigation option, where you can set up all of the pages that you prefer to set as the navigation, which is the multiple pages that we just created earlier. We have here, as you can see, the shirt collection and the sneakers collection. And after that, you should be able to see on the top panel or the navigation bar in here, the multiple collection that you just created or the pages. So overall, that is just basically how you can create multiple landing pages in Shopify. Thank you.